Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are starting from ayah number 30, Surah Abasa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وحدائق غلبا. For wow, circle your lips. Don't use your upper teeth to touch your lower lip. This is a wrong way to say wow. Just circle your lips. Use a circle shape of your lips to pronounce wow. For fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is short. Wa ha from your middle of your throat, and for fatha, open your jaws and give a short sound. Wa ha. The sound, the length of wa and ha is the same. Da for haraka long. Yes, it is for haraka long. Hamza is a very strong letter, and for kasra, give e sound, and it's very short. Wahada off is heavy. Lift your tongue up to make any letter heavy. Don't circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is one count. So the sound is short. Ghul, ghain is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips well. And for lam, whenever it is with sukoon, it gets the tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. You will not stop the sound abruptly, but you will give a medium flow of sound. Ghul, ghul, ba. Ba is 2 counts long when it will get stopped. It is called mad awad. You are exchanging the sound of fathatain into mad alif. So when you exchange the sound, it is called mad awad. Wa for fatha, open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips. Wa fa, give hums. In fa, whenever fa is there, it is with haraka or it is with sukoon, it will get hums, and hums is flow of breath. Fa. Put your upper 2 teeth on your lower lip and give a force of breath. Fa. Can you hear my flow of breath? It should be with you too. Fa, ki is short, and it is a light letter. Ki, ha is short. Wa fa ki ha, down. For fatha, open your jaws, and you are merging the sound of tanween into wow, and it is with gunna. So the rule is called idgham, and we are giving abbreviation of ID, idgham. Down, wa. For fatha, open your jaws and circle your lips for wow, and give a very short sound because it is 1 count long only. Wa, ab. For hamza, give a very strong sound, and for fatha, open your jaws and attach this hamza with ba right away because you found the shdeed here. Ab, ba, and give 2 counts long sound because this is mad awad. You are exchanging the sound of fatha into mad, and this is what you are exchanging, and this is why it is called mad awad. This is how it should be written. Mad awad. Awad means to exchange. Awad. Abba, ma is short. Ta, 2 counts long. Al, ain from your throat. It should be from your throat very clearly. And so it should be from your throat. Al, ain, there is idgham bila gunna, without gunna. So you are merging the sound of tanween into lam. Al, so the sound should not stay in your nose. Alla, la is short. Kum, circle your lips and give tawassut on meen. Whenever you will find lin umar, these are the 5 letters. Whenever these 5 letters are with sukoon, it will get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. You will not stop abruptly, but you will give a medium flow of sound. Kum, wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wali, li, for kasra, give E sound. It cannot be A. It's E always. Wali, an, for fatha, open your jaws. Hamza is pronounced from your lower throat, and it's a very sharp sound. And again, noon is with sukoon, so it will get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. And ayn from your throat for fatha, open your jaws, and it is 2 counts long because you can see signing fatha, and it is as long as one long fatha is. Me, for kasra, give E sound. Kum, for dhamma, circle your lips. And for meme, give tawassut. Wali an'amikum. Fa, give hams. Whenever fa is there, you give hams. Whether it's with fatha, dhamma, kasra, or with sukoon, you are adding hams always for fa. And hams is a flow of breath. Fa, fa-i, e is short, the 2 counts long. And how to pronounce that? The when you touch the upper part of your tip of your tongue, when tip of your tongue touches the upper 2 teeth, that is the point where from where the dal is being pronounced. The fa'i, the ja, ja is 4 haraka count long. Ja, is very strong sound for fatha, open your jaws. Yes, that is very light. So if you are attaching with saw, don't make ta heavy. It is always mistake with many people that when there is a heavy letter coming up, they make the letter which is beside it heavy too. So don't make ta heavy. It's t, and saw. Yes, yes. So only sword is heavy, and ta is attached with sword very strongly because it is with tashdid, and and then you will stretch it 6 haraka count long. Why? Because whenever you find mud letter, you remember what mud letter is? Alif sakna qablaha maftuh, waw sakina qablaha madmum, and ya sakina qablaha maksur. So whenever you find any of this mud, these are the only 3 muds we find in Quran. And when you find mud letter, and after mud letter you find tashdid, so this is the condition to make any mud 6 haraka count long. So simply, whenever you find any of this mud and it is followed by tashdid, this is the point where you will stretch this 2 haraka long mud into 6 counts long. So it will be so 6 counts long, and then you will attach this mud to kha very strongly, and it will get rukhawa, and it will be heavy because kha has rukhawa and kha is a heavy letter. So khatu, and it will get nabar when you will attach this mud and you will going to pronounce kha. This is the point where you will give nabar. Nabar is a jump of sound. So khatu. Can you hear my rukhawa? And can you hear the heavy sound? And can you hear the nabar? Nabar is a jump of sound. when you will be attaching this mud to kha, that is the point where you will give nabar. Without nabar, it will be sa kha, sa sa kha. And now I'm giving nabar. Look at the difference. Sa, this is a little jump, so it should be there. Sa, Jazakallah khair. There are so many things going on. Like, inshallah, when you will listen to this recording multiple times, you will get to know, inshallah. And kha is short, the fatha is short, and how will you stop the circled ta? You will change into ha. This is the other way to stop any letter. So this is whenever you will find circled ta on the where you are stopping it, so you will change into ha. فإذا جاءت الصاخة. And how will you stop? فإذا جاءت الصاخة يوم يفر المرء من أخيه. يوم, yeah, is a very soft letter. Just lift your tongue up, but your tongue will not touch palate. And yaw for fatha, open your jaws and attach with waw very softly, because this is called harf leen. Leen means to a soft letter. So yaw, ma is short. Yawma, yeah, again, yeah is very soft letter. And for fatha, open your jaws and the sound is very short. Yeah, feel. Fa for kasra, give e sound, and fa for fa, give hums. And it is attached with ra. It will get the wasut because first ra it will sakoon. Fir ru, or ru for dhamma. Circle your lips. Yeah, fir ru. So this, there should be tawassut when you are joining fa with ra. So the ra, the first ra is with sakoon. So this is the point where you will give tawassut, medium flow of sound. And for when you will be pronouncing ra with dhamma, you will circle your lips. Yafirru. And then this ra is attached with lam, coming up lam, rul, and give tawassut here again, because len omar are the letters, 5 letters. Whenever it gets sukoon, it gets tawassut, and tawassut is the medium flow of sound. Yafirul mar. For fatha, open your jaws. Mim is a light letter and it is attached with ra. Again, ra will get tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Don't stop ra right away, but give a medium flow of sound. Mar. For dhamma, circle your lips. Min. For kasra, give e sound. And for noon, give tawassut, because this is a part of lin omar. Lin omar is a mnemonic for the letters which will get tawassut when it is in a sakin state. Min. A is short. For fatha, open your jaws. And hamza is pronounced from your lower throat. Khi is 2 counts long, but when you are stopping here, it will be 4 counts long, because it is mad arid lis sakoon. You are given sakoon at the top, imaginary sakoon on ha. So the mad before it will get 4 haraka long count. Akhi yawma yafirrul mar'u min akhi wa ummihi wa abi. Wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. For dhamma, open circle your lips. And hamza should be pronounced from your lower throat, not from your mouth. Wa very strong sound. And it is attached with meme. Whenever letter meme and letter noon are with tashdeed, it gets gunna. And gunna is keeping your sound in your nose, and it is a longer gunna. So wa ummi for kasra, give very short sound. The kasra is not long, only the gunna is long. Look, keeping this in your nose is a longer period of time, but for kasra, mi, short. He, 2 counts long. Wa, circle your lips for wow. But for fatha, open your jaws. For fatha, open your jaws. And hamza is a very strong letter. B. And it is actually 2 counts long, but when you are stopping at the ayah, it will get 4 haraka long, because this is mad arid lisakun, and you are giving a temporary sakun at the end. So when there is a mad before it, so it will get 4 haraka long. Wa abi wa ummihi wa abi. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.